I have guided to download and install Scratch in the previous video. If you have not seen that video, then you can go to the playlist and watch the video. Today I will tell you about the program environment of Scratch and its functions. How does the Scratch work? What is a sprite? How do characters move? In Scratch, you won't type any complicated command. Instead, you will connect graphical blocks together to create a program. Look at this simple program. When you run this block, it says hello. This is a Scratch project interface. You should see a single window with the following panes: the stage, the sprite list, the tab. The stage is where your sprite moves, draw and interacts. The stage is a 480 steps wide and 360 steps tall. The center of the stage has an x coordinate of 0 and a y coordinate of 0. The sprite list displays the name and the thumbnails for all the sprites in your project. Blocks in Scratch are divided into 10 categories. You can change what a sprite looks like by changing its costume, which is just an image. The costume tab contains everything you need to organize your sprite costume. You could think of it like a closet. The closet can have many costumes, but a sprite can wear only one at a time. Let's try changing the cat sprite costume now. Click the thumbnail of the cat sprite and select the costume tab. A sprite can also play sound which line up your program. Give a sprite different sound to use when it's happy or sad. The button in this sound tab will help you organize the different sound your sprites can play. When you select this thumbnail of the stage in the sprite list, the name of the middle tab changes from costume to backdrops. Use this tab to organize the stage background images, which you can change with your scripts. For example, if you are creating a game, you might show one backdrop with the instructions to begin. To make a sprite do interesting things, you need to program it by drag and drop blocks. Tap to the script area and snapping together. This area shows the sprite name and its current X, Y position, its rotation style and visibility state. You can hide the sprite and unhide the sprite here, and you can increase the size of the sprite and you can rename of your sprite.